Right, so we're going to talk about dual carriageways, all things to do with them. What is a dual carriageway? A lot of people think it's a road that has two lanes. Well, some dual carriageways can have one lane and some can have three. Sometimes there's four, so it's not about the lanes. What it is, it's the central reservation in the middle, and it's protecting the oncoming traffic from hitting you. Because of that, the speed limit is higher than what it would normally be. National speed limit, for example, it's 70 on a dual carriageway, 60 on a single carriageway. Okay, so that's what a dual carriageway is. Lots of things are allowed on a dual carriageway, which in my eyes make them more dangerous than a motorway. So you're allowed to ride a bicycle. If you had a mobility scooter and put a flashing amber light on it, you could ride it on this road. Pretty dangerous. As soon as our front wheel hits this line, 3, 2, 1, brake hard, clutch down, third gear, and clutch up again so we go around that corner. Less than 30. What you need to do is head down the slip road, don't stare in the mirror, keep looking in front to see how much road you've got, keep looking in the mirror, little corner, keep looking in front to see how much road you've got, hit safe in the right